So I am Sarfraz Ahmad. I am Professor of Mathematics at Department of Mathematics, COMSATS University, Islamabad, Lahore campus. The university is one of the largest university in Pakistan, and it has 7 campuses, and currently I am also serving as chairman of the department. I did my PhD from Abdul Salam School of Mathematical Sciences. It is an institute in Lahore. At that time, there were a lot of people coming from outside to teach us and to supervise us. So mainly my supervisor is from Romania, and some part I did with my professor from Germany. Mainly during my PhD, I worked on commutative algebra, but after 2 years, I'm lucky enough to get opportunity to go to Germany for postdoctorate, and there I did mainly on combinatorial commutative algebra. So it was somehow mixture of algebra and combinatorics, where we took objects from combinatorics and we defined corresponding object in algebra, and then we play in between the properties of algebra and combinatorics. So sometimes we use some results from combinatorics to prove results in algebra, and vice versa. After that, when I came back to my university, then I continue on this work, and also so currently I am actually working on applications of algebra, and as well as I'm working on some part of the graph theory as well, mainly to define corresponding algebraic object to see the properties of algebra and combinatorics. So as far as university mathematics is concerned, I will further divide into 3 phases. The first phase is before my institute, Abdul Salam School of Mathematical Sciences, and then during that period, and then afterwards. So the school I'm talking about, it was established in 2004, but before that there was no particular school for mathematics in Pakistan. And at that time people usually some people got some opportunity to do PhD from abroad, and then they came back after a few years, and then they continue to work in Pakistan. And at that time the duration of PhD was quite long, and there were very few people who were able to got PhD either from Pakistan or from abroad. Then in 2004 the school was established, and within next 7 to 8 years it succeeded to produce 100 plus PhDs. And the good thing is that those PhDs they produce was in very different areas, the areas which were not addressed before, like commutative algebra and graph theory and other interesting fields, topology of mathematics. And all of those graduates currently are now working in almost all part of the Pakistan, and serving and doing their research in different areas of mathematics. So you can say that this was a little bit change of culture in Pakistan after establishment of this school. And then the thing we actually get is about having some sort of mathematical activities which we learn from this school, and we are applying this to our institutes all over the Pakistan. It includes the CIMPA schools as well, and also some conferences as well, so and some workshops as well. So overall you can say that after this school, in addition to the people who were already working in mathematics, and in collaboration with our current graduates, we are able to have good mathematical activities in Pakistan as far as research is concerned. Continuing about these research factors, we have started some master's program in our department in 2019, International Mathematics Masters, and we got some very good talented mathematicians there, and we invited people from outside. And you can say that the talent in mathematics in Pakistan is not that much low. Once someone get any opportunity, he will be able to definitely deliver at any stage of the mathematics. So as far as this master's is concerned, all graduates of this master's program are able to get opportunities abroad, and we are still continuing this master's program in our department as well, with the a little bit different name, International Program of Mathematics. And I can say that if students are getting good opportunities, then they will definitely able to deliver. Regarding school mathematics, the overall students we are getting in universities, their level of mathematics is not that much high, because the main goal of the students is to get good grades, and their mathematics, their problem solving techniques are not that much good. But at the same times we are struggling, or we are having this in our department. We are having this international training of International Math Olympiad. So we are trying at our level to attract or invite students from all over the Pakistan to get them trained as per international standards. So overall I can say that though the things are not that much promising, but at the same time we are trying hard at our levels to serve or take the level of mathematics high in Pakistan. Last thing I want to add regarding research areas, the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan has some sort of demand, or they ask for a lot of publications to get promote in different designation in Pakistan. That is little bit that policy actually hurting our quality of the research. While I came here, I can see that the main goal, or what you can say that the main goal of research, if I compare here with Pakistan, so all goals are different. In Pakistan mainly they are looking for good number of publications, and that force many others to change their field of research just to produce good number of publications rather than focusing on their own research. And I think this is the thing that Higher Education Commission of Pakistan should think, that there should be some policies which actually enhance the research quality in Pakistan. I believe this is the good time for me to come. The one thing is there is a semester break currently in my university, so it's good to come during the semester break. And secondly, this is a time when I have some sort of joint students with my current host in the CIMPA Research in Pairs program. So this opportunity give me a chance to focus more on research, because in Pakistan there are a lot of things going on regarding teaching and other admin duties, but here we since last 6 weeks we are only focusing on research, and this make me able to develop a good problem for my students. And I think this is very good opportunity in which I got a quality time which I spend on my research. There are many good things about this Research in Pairs program. I mean, during my first stay of 4 weeks in Phillips University, Marburg, we have a lot of, on a daily basis, maybe sometime twice in a day or sometime once in a day, I have a very good opportunity to discuss all problems or discuss research problem related to my work, and we are able to develop quite good interesting results during this period. But the best thing is my last week at MFO. MFO is an institute in Germany where this was the part of my Research in Pairs program, where I spent 1 week with my host. And I think if I compare the results which I got in Marburg or in MFO in 1 week, both are same. Why? Because in MFO we have like 3 sessions in a day. First we meet after the breakfast, and then after lunch, and even sometime we meet after the dinner as well. So we completely focusing on research, and for me this is the most productive time I spend in MFO, and I would suggest that this kind of opportunity where you have only time with your supervisor, because supervisor, the host, can be busy at his own university during for his teaching or other giving time to other students as well. But as far as MFO is concerned, there were only me and professor, and we spend very good time there. So as I mentioned that this opportunity came at very good time. This is a time I have some joint supervision with my host, and during this period we made some experiments, we stated some conjectures, and we have very good synopses for those students. And I think in the coming days we will be able to continue on those conjectures to prove. And indeed nowadays even if you have a good base on your problem, and you have well defined problem, which we have already done during last 5 weeks, in coming days we will be able to continue on that research. As far as the synopsis or thesis of this student is concerned, that I think we are in very good shape.